Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a video that I'm actually really excited to do. This is something that is more of a lifestyle piece that I am really excited to bring into my new home. Adam and I have been kind of curating our new home, as a lot of you guys know, and we have a specific area in what we're calling like our sunroom that we have set up a coffee bar. And it's been something that we've been slowly adding to over time, and I am super excited to share with you one of the newest pieces that I have put into this awesome coffee bar in our own home. I just love that idea. So if you want to learn more about this brand new addition to my coffee bar, which is going to be an espresso machine from Casabrews, who is sponsoring today's video, which I am super duper excited about, grab your coffee, grab your espresso, grab your tea, grab your snack, get comfy, and let's get ready to dive into all of this goodness together. Cheers! As a lot of you guys have been seeing here on my channel, I have been slowly putting together some vlogs to kind of curate my home more, to show you guys what the process has been like. Because a lot of you know, I have essentially started from like almost nothing, coming from tiny house living, and now we're in a full-size house. So what I'm doing is kind of making each corner, each place of my home extra special. And Adam really wanted a coffee bar, honestly. This is something he has wanted for a really long time. So we have a little nook in our sunroom that we have dedicated to be a coffee bar, and he has been wanting an espresso maker so he can make his own cappuccinos, lattes, even just like double espressos whenever he wants at home. We're also big on saving the money as well. So when Casabrews reached out to me about their espresso machine, that's a 20-bar compact espresso maker with a milk frother steam wand. It's a professional cappuccino machine. I was so excited. I can make cappuccinos, lattes, double espressos, all the things. So I really wanted to show you guys how Adam and I were able to use this, and we are brand new beginners at this. I'm gonna tell you right up front, we are not coffee connoisseurs, but Adam definitely aspires to be. So definitely stay tuned as we use this machine more to hear about how we use it, maybe the different recipes we use in the future, because he is stoked. And I just get so lucky that he loves to make these things and I get to be the recipient of like the trial tester. I love being the taste tester for his foods and his drinks. So this is really exciting for me too. I have to start with how sleek this product looks. Right now, this is sitting essentially in the entryway practically of our home, where when you walk in, you see our beautiful sunroom. It's kind of like a nice entrance area, but then we also have our coffee bar right up front. So it's also something close to our kitchen, but people would see, so we needed it to be really pretty. It also isn't overwhelming. It's not one of those huge espresso cappuccino makers that's like ginormous, like right in your face when you walk in. I really love that it is a space-saving design. It also has an auto shut-off, which I think is really handy too, simply because I'm one of those people that's always like, did I turn off my hair straightener? Did I turn off the curling iron? Did we turn off the oven as we've walked out the door? I love when things are just smart devices like that. And with this product, you can make espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes. We're still learning how to use the steam wand, but I'm super excited for when Adam becomes even more efficient at it, because we can essentially make our own designs in it as well. So what you're going to be seeing in this video is our first time really using this product. And this is something that really is a commercial grade, but I am finding it to be beginner friendly as well. Again, stay with me in maybe future videos when I talk about this as we get even more comfortable with this product, because it is feeling a little bit more sophisticated. It adds a little bit of that next level of a coffee bar vibe. Something Adam was really excited to do was ground up his own beans to be able to go with this machine, because he has a specific taste in mind and he's super particular. So he was really glad that he got to have directions that come with the espresso maker that really break it down for you of what do you do. It's got pictures and step-by-step things of how you use it, how you do your first cycle, the whole thing. One of the first things I do really love about this is that you could do a single cup or make it a double espresso or a double cup. This has the capacity to do both, and they give you all of the correct accessories to be able to do that, which is super great, because then you're getting everything you need essentially to make all of your espressos in the future. So really, even though there's an upfront cost, you're going to be saving money in the long run rather than going to maybe Starbucks or something local more every single day. I love that this has a large water tank as well. It has a 47-ounce capacity water tank. So that way you don't have to keep refilling it with every cappuccino, every espresso that you make. It also looks like on their website it is at a discount. It's normally $270, but it looks like on their website right now it's $169.99, which sounds like a pretty good deal for this upcoming holiday season. Maybe you're somebody that also just loves coffee or you want a coffee bar as well. I love that there's already a deal right up front for you. The way that you reach the hottest temperature with this particular espresso maker is the machine needs to be preheated before use. And you're gonna be seeing here in the video how Adam preheats it. He just lets it run essentially without any coffee grounds in it. And that really heats up the machine because it has a specific window that you can see at the top of the barometer to let you know when you're in that perfect window of heat for the espresso. You need to be sure that the pressure gauge needle stays in the best pressure range for the best flavor. So when this does happen, the whole machine will become a bit warmer. And so the second time that you use this machine, you make the espresso with the coffee grounds so the espresso is hot enough for that cup of coffee. And it seems like a pretty easy process, and it also helps you as a beginner learn how to do it. You should make sure you're using the correct amount of coffee grounds to make sure you don't go above the maximum fill line for the filter. For a single, it's 7 to 9 grams, and for a double, it's a 13 to 15 grams. We were always doing double though, I'll tell you that right off the bat, but I will probably want some singles in the future, so I'm so glad that we have all of the accessories that we need for that. Evenly tramp down the coffee grounds with the little tool that they provide for you, and make sure you don't go above the maximum line. Keep the filter holder flat and insert it into the group head. Turn it to the right. Filter holder should be in the center position as you see, and position the cup on the drip tray underneath the filter holder. So you're gonna make sure that the steam knob is in the off position. And then press if you're gonna do a single cup or a double, and then it's gonna start brewing. And essentially it's that easy for you. And then once you're done, obviously you're gonna wanna clean up. So you're going to take the filter holder and remove from the group head. Remove the espresso puck that had the grounds put into it, and then you're gonna wash it out. Do not use the dishwasher, use your hands, use your sink, and wash it out with warm water. And it's honestly that easy. Then they also have very easy follow through step-by-step with images on it for how to use the milk frother. We didn't use the milk frother in our first trials of this because we wanted to make sure we were making the coffee the way we were supposed to. But it seems like it would be pretty simple to do as well. I'm also lactose intolerant, so I would need to get like an almond milk or something. But this was super fun to do. And then we just had our morning coffee together. We had a little special morning cake with it, and it was just perfect. So thank you so much to Casabrews for wanting to support my channel here and sponsoring today's video and telling my friends about this, because it looks like on their website they do have a really big discount going on right now. So going into the holiday season, it could really be worth the investment if you have a coffee lover in your life as well. And like I said, Adam was so excited to get to start playing with this. And stay tuned on my channel for some more updates on other things that we do with this, because they also have a full recipe book on how you can make your own fancy coffees, like the kind you get in actual cafes, coffee shops, things like that. Be sure to check out Casabrews at the link I have down below for you. I love that they have a discount going on right now, especially for the upcoming holiday season. Maybe there's a coffee lover in your life that would really enjoy having their own cappuccino espresso maker in their own home, or if it's something that you would really like to have. Thank you again to Casabrews for sponsoring today's video. And if you happen to be new to my channel, hi new friends, I really hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss more lifestyle videos and beauty videos that I do here on my channel. Bye friends.